everybody. Starting the day off with a nice little car wash. I don't know if you noticed, but one of my rims is sitting over there. It's hard to do this. And I'm gonna let you know why. So, last night, I was driving and I realized one of my tires was low on air. So I went to go to the little Royal Farms because it's free air there. And what do you know? It was cold, so I couldn't get the cap off, the stem cap off. Terrible. So, I ran back home, jacked my car up, and put one of my stock rims on in its place. So today, washing my car, I washed all my rims, and I washed that rim as well while it was off the car. It was the easiest. And took a look at the tire and realized there was a screw in it. So now, unfortunately for me, but fortunately for you, you're going to learn how to plug a tire. And you may also notice, unfortunately I didn't film this, but I redid the upholstery in here. I'm also going to get some paint so I can paint the little gray pieces. A lot of them are already swapped out with pieces out of a black interior to M3 that one of my buddies is parting out. Well, not really a buddy, more like one of my father's buddies, but I still consider him a friend. All the rest, I'm gonna paint, and then the visors, I'm gonna pull off of his M3 as well, since it's that Alcantara material. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, leaving all those in now. Get you some of this stuff right here. Tire plug. If you take it to a tire place, it's gonna cost you about 10-15 bucks to do it. But this right here was $8.99. 5 plugs for it, so the 5 times for the same cost. Actually a little less. Try to get the one with the rubber cement in it because it'll help it bond better and last a lot longer than the one without. This is my cheap rim. Got it used secondhand. Some dude actually waved me over to the side of the road because he saw what kind of car I had and said he had a pair of rims from his old Beamer he used to have that he doesn't need anymore. 400 bucks with the rims pre-mounted. Not a bad deal in all honesty, no matter what the rim looked like. It was cheap. I needed new tires. They had brand new tires on them. The rims were good. At this point, it didn't even matter what condition they were in. The tires are straight. They're not the greatest looking rim, but we gotta fix this tire. Let's get it. Alright, first thing you're gonna see, that's a screw of mine. If it's a nail, you're gonna have to take some like pliers or quick close snips. Grab it and yank it out. But with the screw, it should just in theory come right out. Ooh, there's your culprit. There's the culprit of my leak last night. I don't know if you can see it, but you know what? That's a hole, guys. You hear it? Super loud. And now I'm going to show you how to plug it. So there's a few things in the box. The first thing is going to have a little scrape tool in here. You just take this and poke it through the hole, scratch the sides so that the rubber cement and the plug has something to stick to. Next, you're going to take pair of pliers and do this, but it's possible by hand, as you could just see. I'm gonna fold it. Take some of this rubber cement. Little thing right there. Boom. And it's already leaking out. Check that out. Put a little on it. That'll help it adhere better. Just take pull back off. Now you're probably wondering how the hell did it stay in? If you look, there's actually a little gap at the tip, so when you pull back out, it slides off. After this stage, you take some close snips, cut it, put some air in her, and mount her back up. I guess I might as well show you how to dismount and mount the new tire, but I'm gonna first run the ropo so that I can put some air in the tire. I have no idea what happened to my air pump.